the Wild Zords! Wild Zord, descend!
All right, Gorilla Zord! That was great!
Guys! Get this off of me! Hurry!
Wild Zords, combine!
Kongozord!
Whatever. Like that's supposed to frighten me. I got something else in mind. Chill out. Got you right where I want you. Freezer Orb, use your icy grip.
What's he doing? He's freezing the entire Zord!
He's freezing himself in order to freeze the Megazord. Your sacrifice will not be forgotten.
Huh? Oh no! He's frozen the Kongozord solid!
You'd better give up, Rangers. Without your precious Kongozord, you haven't a chance.
We still have our crystals! Huh?
I don't believe it! They're all frozen!
It's not possible. Gorilla! Gorilla!
What is it?
I can't hear his voice anymore.